Okay, so now when we have our scene done, just need to set up a few things by pressing the number 3 on your number pad. Go to the side view and select the spotlight. Press R to rotate and just put it down a little bit. Now select the camera and put it down, because we are trying to create a view from a boat, yeah? So it has to be like that. And now maybe a little bit more. Oh, that's about good. We still need to be able to see our lighthouse. Now select the empty and put it a little bit higher to keep some balance of the water, sky, and landscape, ground, and the lighthouse. Okay, so that's about right. The main light source in our scene is basically this thing, which is a lamp, as you see, but we can call it our moon. So to create a more realistic night atmosphere, I just want to make change the colors here. So go with the sliders now. R, which is red, take down to about 0.9, a green one, G 0.72, doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine, but something like that, and blue one 0.6. and when you will render your scene now, you will see different lighting conditions. I like this more as it was before, but it's all up to you. It's your landscape, your scene, so do what you like. Alright, close this one, and now go to the top view by pressing the 7 on your number pad, and now select the camera. Imagine the camera is fixed in the front of our boat, yeah? So grab the camera and place it somewhere here in this corner. On the right hand side you can see the camera view. You don't want to have like see any edges in your rendered view, so place the camera that way. Be aware that we have a mist in our scene, so if you place the camera too far, I'll show you this one, something like that, and now press the F12. You're not going to see anything, and you see the edges. So this is for sure something we don't want to get. So press G to select, grab the camera, and just place it somewhere, as I said, here in this corner. That's gonna be right. Just trust me with this one, okay? Now help button here on the top. Excuse me. On the right side there's two small arrows. Press the bottom one and add new animation. Okay, press Z to go out of wireframe mode. This one you can just grab and put it this way. This one just make two of the same windows. Here down we need to make a 3D view for now. Later we will put it into IPO, but now go with a 3D view. Press 0 on a number pad to go into the camera view. Okay, and we can actually start animating. What we wanna do now, it's create like a short camera movement from this corner to get a bit closer to our shore. We don't want our boat to be moving too fast, so yeah, so okay, make sure that we are on a frame 1 on our animations. You can see it here. You can change the frames by holding down Shift, left click, and then just type 90, enter, for example, and this is in frame 90. But we are going to start, we'll start at frame 1. With the camera selected, press I on your keyboard and insert key location. This is the location of our camera in frame 1. At the end of the animation, select this one by left click, which is 250, or you can type the number here. Grab your camera and move it closer to shore. On the right view you can see what's going on, so use it. Use your right view. When you are happy with the camera position, left click to confirm, press I, insert key location. Right, and now we are on the frame 250, so end of our animation. If we will go back to frame 1 and press Alt A, you see a camera movement. It's slow, but that's exactly what we wanted to get, so should be happy. Press Escape, and now we will animate the spotlight rotation. Select the spotlight, make sure you are on frame 1 again, press I, insert key rotation, because this is we will move the spotlight spin around in our animation. Now we are going to frame, holding down the shift key, left click, 25, enter. So this is gonna be 1 second of our animation, because we're creating 250 frames, and if you have your cursor in button windows and press F10, you see here that we are doing animation 25 frames per second, so it means 250 is 10 seconds, right? So with the camera with the spotlight selected and go to we are on a frame 25. We need to rotate it first, so press R, hold down the control and rotate 45 degrees, left click to confirm, insert I, insert key rotation. Now go back to frame 1, press Alt A, and you see your camera moving and the spotlight rotating. Press Escape. Okay, but in frame 22 our spotlight basically stopped spinning, so we need to, on the right side, right viewport, left corner, bottom corner, choose the IPO curve editor. Here change rotation Z, select the curve, down here press the curve, extend mode, extrapolation, and if you go to left view, frame 1, press Alt A, you see that what happened, basically it makes the spotlight spinning around consistently entire animation. So even if you decide to change the length of your animation, you don't have to care about this one anymore. This is gonna go this way, like forever. Press Escape to stop that. Alright, change this to 3D view again. So we've got our camera and spotlight. Why by pressing the 3 on your number pad, why I made this angle of spotlight here at the beginning? Because I wanted to, at some point of the animation, while the spotlight is spinning and camera. At some point this spotlight will cross our camera view, so